Greetings, younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights. It is I, the Grandmaster Jeddalo, here to give you another lesson in the ways of the Force. And we're back with more Dead Space. A couple things before we get started. Remember, this channel's on the value for value model, so if you got any type of value from this video, please give something of value back, whether it be your time, talent, or treasure. More on that in the description below. YouTube is still pretty much broken. Nowadays, it's even more broken than ever, so please make sure you're still subscribed to the channel. If you were and now you're not for some reason, please go ahead and resubscribe. And if this is your first time watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. It costs you nothing. And I do have a GoFundMe page open. Link to that is also down in the description below. All donations are going towards paying a source filmmaker animator that will be helping me animate the Invasion of the Dead reboot. Been trying to get that reboot out to everyone for over 3 years now, so please donate what you can if you can. All donations are accepted and greatly appreciated. And if you can't donate, please share the link around to your friends, family, and on your social media. So that all being said, let's get into this. So we landed here through a very choppy, broken, crashy first half. So we're here now. Some shit has happened on this ship. Oh God, I hear noises. Oh God, there's something crawling. Here he comes. Good shot. Going down. He's dead. Make sure I got enough. I did some cheat codes, so yeah. Oh God! Make sure he's dead. Anybody else want some? Got some plasma. Their body. Stupid ass. Your noises. Okay. He's dead. Okay, which way does it want me to go? Which way am I going? He's got some shit. Got some shit? No? That's not. Which way am I going? Elevator or elevator? Going towards the elevator. Crane control. Sure. This way. Alright. That's what I like about this game, because no matter what you do, you can't get lost. Oh. Drop that somewhere else, because obviously if I drop that there, that's not going to let me pick that up. It's going to be like that. Another thing about this game that people might not know, if they haven't played it, yeah, just because you're in your inventory, not too close to it, that's the problem. Oh, wait. Fucking rude. Try to do shit, motherfucker. Okay, wait. Right now. Oh, we got hit E. Okay. Now, don't hit E yet. Over here. There we go. Wants me to go that way, right? Yeah, that way. Wait, there's some box over there. Won't check this out. I'm not getting that. What's this thing? Okay, so which means I'll probably have to get that more. Wait, I can reload. Will I make it free? Yes. Ta-da! When in doubt, reload. Wait, can't get that yet. Pushing corpse. Creature. Oh, hello. It's hit. Fucker. Okay, where's that ammo? Okay, apparently I still don't have enough room. Okay, what is this? This is a... Text log. So it says USG Ishimura. USG Ishimura, sorry, I'm still kind of working up from the last video, sorry. Aerospace Engineering Department, Shuttle Repairs Invoice, Mission Day 2. Faulty 4 gyro, vessel USG Ish 503, replaced, now functional. Mission Day 3, faulty 40 scope, vessel USG Ish 501, still in repair. Mission Day 4. Mission Day 4, damaged landing repulsors, vessel USG Ish 505, complete replacement, now functional. Damaged 4 and left 4 viewports, vessel USG Ish 504, replaced, now functional. Mission Day 5. Okay. Mission Day 5, damaged booster collar, vessel USG Ish 505, repaired, now functional. Engineer's note, right JF, second engineer, maintenance bay. Okay. So that happened. Yes. What's this? Okay. Push me. Push me. Okay, so I have to go back, sure. Right? The beat. Yes. Oh, there's a guy. Oh. Shot. Going down. He's dead. He's getting shot. Yeah. Can I pick up this other one here? Can I reload? No? Oh, that's 6. Okay, so I don't need... Okay, so I can only have, like, 75. Okay, so I got 75 shots. Okay, I should be okay for the time being. And pick that up, that's kind of sucks. Back to the helicopter, back to the elevator. Okay, down, elevator. Let's go over here first. Let's see what's in here. That's just a small health pack. Small health pack. Okay, we don't need that. At least yet. Okay. Uh-oh. Here goes. I don't know if that's the ship or the creepy crawlies. Oh, what was that? Okay, nothing. Key. There we go. Right. What's this thing? Get aboard. Power required. Acquired. Sorry. Got a bench here.
Use power nodes to upgrade your weapons and rig.
Upgrade equipment. Right here. Okay, let's do my rig. Do all my hair first. All right. That's all I got. Charge myself back up. Take this. There we go. This thing?
That's it, Isaac. Take the board back to TRAM control and slot it into the computer array. That should get the TRAM system back online.
Okay. There's a guy out here. There he is. Hey, where's he going? Hey, I'm over here, dumbass. Oh, God. Yeah, shit. Oh, okay. Wait. That way or this way? This way. What's this thing? Oh, I don't think up there? Okay. Oh, he's down. Bet your punk ass likes that. Okay. That way.
TRAM control computer now online.
Today. Take that. That's money. Okay, where are we going now? Going that way. Oh, I got power in. Okay, sure. Why not?
Shipwide TRAM system reinitialized. All trams now operational. TRAM arriving at flight deck station. Quarantine lifted.
All right, we're on board and heading to the bridge. Good work.
Strange. The quarantine just lifted.
Whatever was in the flight lounge must have left. That's lucky for us. Isaac, get back to the Kellion and prep it for launch. We'll find out what we can from the bridge and meet you there.
If we live that long... You're out of your league, Hammond. This is suicide. We're going to
Your
die
lack
out
of confidence in me is duly noted, Miss Daniels. But I have a mission to complete, and that's exactly what I am going to do, with or without you. Do we understand each other?
here. Just get us out of here alive.
Ooh, right. Well, shit. Alright. Alright, we're going this way. Okay. Wait, okay. Yeah, I have money. Okay. Okay, going that way, right? Yep. Anything else down here? Nope. Okay. What was that? Uh-oh. Let's not stick around and find out. So now what do we do? Back up? Okay. Okay. Oh, great. We have to go the direction the monstoid was going. That's nice. Okay. Follow the monstoid. Wait, whoa. Hello. Okay, stay away from the vents. Duly noted. What's this? That's locked. I can't get in there. Uh-oh. Guns! Oh god! Oh god, there's somebody behind! Give me that. Oh, I took one. Okay, well, whatever. Oh, man, this... Oh, yeah.
Isaac,
We made it to the bridge. It's a nightmare up here. No survivors. We're going to try to get to the command computer. Wish us luck.
Alright, you do that. Okay, can't get that. Inventory's full. What's this thing? Inventory's full. Get that either. Oh, there's a guy over there. So there's something over here, right? No? Okay. Can I open up that lock? Oh wait, I can destroy this. What's in there? More stuff I can't use. Okay, sure. Let's... Oh god. Stay dead. There we go. Nope. That way, right? Yep, towards the ship. What you got? Huh? Huh? Yeah, see that? Teach you what for. Charge kids down there. Oh, he's still coming for it.
What the hell is happening down there? What happened to the shuttle?
That was our ride home. It's the only way off the ship.
Kendra.
No, Hammond! This changes everything!
Just let me think. Can you access the command computer?
It's no good. There's an executive lockdown of all primary systems. Without the captain's authorization, I can't access them.
Well, where's the captain?
All over the place.
Here he is. Captain Benjamin Mathias. Location, med lab. Status, deceased.
What? How?
I can't access that information. Find the captain and you'll find his rig. With his authorization codes, I can crack this computer wide open.
Damn it. Isaac, I'm sending the tram back to your location. Get to the medical deck and find that rig as fast as you can.
What was that?
That little fasty there. Great shit. Did you enjoy his company? Money. Got money? Push her off the edge, her ass off the edge? No, I can't. Okay. Get there. Wait, get that? Let's do a quick save. Alright. Yep. Okay. Alright, so let's check out over here first. Another bathroom. Oh man. This place is all stinky. See something on the wall here? I thought somebody wrote something on the wall with blood. Oh yeah, well, kind of. What's it say? Ev, save yourself. I think that's what that says. Save yourself. Oh, shits. You know, shit's really hit the fan when they start writing shit in their own blood. Alright, let's get rid of the one. Okay, hold on. I gotta do it over here, otherwise it's gonna interfere with the one I want to pick up. Let's drop. Drop another small one. Can I use it? Nope. Okay, drop it. Ta-da! We'll get the large one. That'll help. Nope. Okay. What's in here? Small, not gonna waste any time. What's this? What is this thing? Okay, can't pick that up either. Okay. Never load? Nope. I'm loading. Access the store. Cool. Alright. Inventory, what do I want to put away? Where those, I have to go down quickly, sure. Oh, that shop. Stasis pad. What can I get from the shop? Ooh, level 2 suit. We have enough for that. Let's get a level 2 suit. Alright, here we go. Level 2. Here we go. Hi, yes. Confirmed. Alright, we just go inside here. This seems to be okay. Alright, let's go inside. Oh, why am I being strapped up? Oh, my ass! Oh, it's in my ass! What's going on my ass? Oh, my ass! Okay. The forcing yourself in my ass didn't have to be a thing, but okay. Cool, I think. Hold on. So how much more space do I have? Okay, so I got a little bit more space. line gun. Now let's get the line gun and the pulse rifle, and we'll put the line gun, the pulse rifle in the receive. And we'll get the pulse rifle. Buy that shit. Inventory. Let's put the pulse rifle in there. So we're gonna put the line gun. Alright. Okay, so we got
Red
store
weapon
activated.
icon.
Nice.
Your weapon has no ammo in its clip.
Switch weapons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. Gotcha. Alrighty. Well, Padawans, this is where we're going to end for now. So I just want to say thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And until next time, my younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights, remember, be mindful of the future, but not at the expense of the moment. And the Force will be with you always.
Greetings, Padawans. I'm Commander Corvette of the Rebellion. The Grand Master has requested me to convey some important information to you all. He requested that you check out his Patreon page at www.patreon.com/Jeddalo to see all the bonus content and behind-the-scenes action you could receive when pledging to help his channel. All proceedings he receives from his Patreon will be used to help fund future missions, such as training cast and crew, along with a possible cup of blue milk. And to finally defeat that uncharismatic tyrant, the severe asthma.